Hello everyone, welcome back. I am still talking about all things iMovie. Today I'm going to be talking about adding titles to your video clips. So there's two ways to do this. So I'm going to start with the first way, and that is embedding the title within your video clip. So for example, I have this video clip here. I'm just going to go ahead and play it. I'm basically introducing myself, but I'll just go ahead and allow you to listen to it before I add a title to it. So let's just start at the beginning.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm 5'5".
All right, and that's it. So I'm just basically saying my name, and I also said my height, but I don't need to put that information. I just probably want to add a title where I'm saying my name, and then that title appears on my video clip. Okay, so the way to do that is right here in this window. Above this window, there are some options here, and I'm going to go to titles. I'm going to click on titles, and you'll notice all of these different titles that I can add, these different types of titles. Now, these all have different animations to them as well. So you can hover over them to preview it to see how it'll animate. So this one is called split lower thirds, and I usually like to add a lower third to my video clips. This one is where it would split the title. This is one where it would expand the title as a lower thirds. And this one is revealing the title as a lower thirds. I usually like the reveal animation. So I'm just going to grab this animation or this title, and I'm going to put it on top of the clip. As soon as I do that, then you see the title here on the clip where I can add my information. And then you also have these options here for the font. So right now the default is Avenir Next Bold, but I can change the font if I want to. I can choose a different font. There's a ton of fonts here. I can also change the size of the font. So this is automatically adjusted to a size, but I can still change that if I want. I can also align the font. So right now it's left aligned. I can center align, or I can right align or justify the font. Then I can bold, underline, or bold, italicize, or underline the font. I believe this is for, oh, this is an outline. This option stands for outline. And then I could change the color of the font. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on where it says title text here, and I'm going to type my name. All right, so now this is by default 4 seconds long. If I wanted to decrease or increase how long this title appears on my video clip, I can use this option here that's identified by the letter I. This is how I can get information about that particular clip. So depending on what I click on, so let me select it. Okay, it is selected, and then I'll click on the letter I, and then this is telling me what it is. So this is the clip that I have selected, the one called Veronica Tinsley. The title is Reveal Lower Thirds. That's the title that I use as far as the type of title clip that I added to my video clip. And then this is the duration. So I can change that here if I wanted to. But before I do any of that, let's just go ahead and make sure that the name appears around the same time that I announce my name in the video. So let's give it a listen.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley.
That's totally off. So what I need to do is I need to drag the clip over here, because this is basically where I start to say my name. And then I'm going to give it a listen again.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm 5'5".
All right, so we still need to move it over a little bit. It's still ahead. So that's all you're doing, is you're just kind of gauging where you announce the name or whatever it is that you're saying, and you want that to appear on the screen.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm 5'5".
Bring it just over just a little bit more. Let's try now.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm 5'5". I'm from Orlando, Florida. I am willing to work as a local hire to Orlando.
All right, so that is much better. So that is how you add a title to your video clips. Now that's embedding the title in the video clip. Excuse me, my voice is going out. But there's another way that you can add a title as well. So this is embedding the title in the clip. Another way is if you just want to have an actual title of maybe your video. Maybe you're talking about animals and you want to go ahead and have like a title that comes on the screen first and say, this is about animal wildlife or whatever the case may be. So to add that type of title, you would go, I'm just going to grab the focus title here, and you would place that in the beginning of the clip. So that would act as an actual title of your video. And I would just go ahead while it appears on the screen here. I can say, welcome. And then I'll click the check mark here to save the changes. Again, this title gives me a default font of D dot, but I can change that font if I want. Again, I can change the size, the text alignment, and the style of the font as well, and the color. But I'm just going to leave it at default, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and then you'll see when I start my video, it says welcome.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm
And
5'5".
then we get into the video. So that is the two ways, or those are the two ways that you can add titles to your video clip. You can embed the title in your video clip, or you can actually set a title for your video. And this one, as well as when you embed, if that is too long, this is also 4 seconds. I believe they all start at 4 seconds by default. If you want to shorten that or make it longer, you would just click on the clip. You will go over here. You'll see some options here at the top of the preview window, and you would just click on the letter I, and then you can change the duration of that clip. So maybe I don't need it to be 4 seconds. Maybe 3 seconds is good enough. I'll type the number 3, press enter, and now instead of this clip being 4 seconds long, it is 3 seconds long. And then I can listen to it again.
Hi, my name is Veronica Tinsley. I'm 5'5".
All right, and there you have it. That is how you add titles to your video clips in iMovie.